How to fix Telegram bot not responding. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix Telegram bot not responding. If your Telegram bot is not responding, the fix depends on whether you are the user trying to chat with its developer running on it. So if you are a user, you just want to make sure to go ahead and want to open the Telegram. There you just want to make sure to go and locate the bot here. If it's not working, you just want to make sure to type in /start and hit the search bar. There you have these prompts. Now you could also go ahead and clear your cache. Tap onto the profile three dot at the very top, or just go to the settings. You want to go to data and storage. Make sure to go to storage uses and make sure to clear cache. That should also definitely help you out. You could also ensure or check for block. That means ensure you haven't accidentally blocked the bot. You could also check your privacy in settings here and look for the blocked people, or you could just go ahead and look for privacy and security. Then you have blocked user and make sure that you've not blocked the bot. So this is how you will be able to fix. So with that, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.